And welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is August 14. Chart of the day for today is Apple, 30 minutes time frame. Now we can see Apple here ended with 1 in the primary degree at 344, and then since then it has been declining quite sharply, right? And this decline looks to be a clear impulsive move, 5 ways, 1, 2 with extended 3, 4, 5. A very clean 5 ways down, and then you can see right here the rally also is a clear corrective structure overlapping 7 swing structure here, and then now has started to turn lower again. If you take a look at this low, which is 357, and then you compare it to this one, we have not yet broken below this low, right, so far. So we are still 57 cents away from breaking this low. But the idea that this is impulsive and this is corrective suggests that chances are, probability-wise, we should be breaking below A again. Now, of course, since we have not yet broken below the A, we still cannot completely rule out a bigger double correction like this. So we could be doing WXY to end the B here before turning lower, so that will be the alternate, by the way. But if the P is already complete as we propose, since this decline looks to be a 5 swing diagonal, right? Then we could see the rally to fail from here and then turn lower. Now, the other option here, like I said, is this is doing a double. So I think even with the option, with the alternate option, it still suggests another leg down, because this one is a 5 ways, this one is a corrective 7 swing, right? So even if it does this, still balance of probability suggests another leg down is coming. Eventually it's going to break below the A again here, okay? And now if we do that, then this can be labeled as an ABC W X, and then this is another ABC Y. So we could be labeling this as a corrective 7 swing, something like WXY, and we can label this W, we can label this X, and then now doing this before turning lower. So that will be the alternate, okay? And the primary view is the more sort of aggressive view. In the primary view, the rally is going to hold below this low, this peak, and then turn lower. Now, if we break above this peak, then the area where we should be seeing sellers is going to be this area. This you can label this as WXY, and that will be the area here, the 100% extension area, 316.80, 326.90. That should see sellers, and then it can then start to go down again from here. Okay, so that will be the update here in Apple. So we are looking for more downside as long as we don't break above the beginning of the 5 ways down here, 344. And this is the more aggressive view, and then the alternate doing a WXY here like this before turning lower again. All right, so that's the update for today. As always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and you can use the link in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.